guys, welcome back to this channel. In case you're new here, my name is Isabel, and in this channel we share about real life, good vibes and amazing moments. If you like that kind of content, make sure to subscribe and join my community. So guys, as some of you know, I recently moved to Nairobi. I got done with my college and I'm starting over here. So I'm going to do a monthly shopping with whatever I have for starting over, and from there I don't know what's next, but I hope I'll get something to do later. So come with me to the market. Mikasa ni? So finally, I got this bar soap 1 kg that was going for 157 shillings. That was on offer. A 5 kg maize flour. I prefer this one than buying from the market. Then I got this 2 kg ajab flour, wheat flour for making pancakes. A bathing soap, a small dish for making maybe like pudding. I got 2 kasukus of potatoes, each was going for 150. So those were around, it was for 300 shillings. Got a pineapple. This one was going for 50 Kenya shillings. Not expensive. This is expensive. 3 sweet potatoes, just 3 for 50 Kenya shillings, because it's just me. I don't need a lot. Then I got uji flour for porridge in the morning. Sometimes I like having porridge. I got a half kg of sugar because I had more remaining. 3 mangoes. Of course, it's a mango season. Then I got 3 kg of rice. This one was going for 150 per kg. And lastly, I got this padlock because I don't have a padlock since I moved here. I've never closed my door. This, I forgot about the cooking oil. I had put it there for safety because I don't have somewhere to place it when I was shopping. So let's unpack.
wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Right before I go, that's the time that I'm gonna show all the crazy things that I'm gonna do to you, baby. Ooh. I want you to make me uncomfortable. Wow. Only thing I need tonight, you're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy.
Niliona hiyo mind ni mbaya. Sikuwa nashinda
Ya kukuwa negative na kaliharibika.
lakini nilikuwa mbona nilisema hivyo. Ni kama nikisema kitu sitakuwa napiga.
So mtu anafaa aongea vitu positive. I hope pia hizo positive tukiongea zinafanyika.
Kwa nini hii kitu positive haifanyikangi? Hata kama negative
sana. Yenye tunaambiwa at the power of the tongue, ukiambia unataka gari haisikiangi. Lakini ukisema kitu mbaya ndio ina happen.
Na uoga ina happen very fast. Ama vitu kwa ndio tunakuwa patient.
Sasa hapo nayo kwa patient. Tumegoja sana. Inabidi umesacrifice kunyeshewa.
Kila kamlango sitafunga ile mlango. Ninaangalia ni saa tano. Ni saa tano. Nataka niende nifungue.
What?
Angalia nini nifungue.
Means how much? Kombe moja. Moja. Ya 30.
Unatoka ya 30?
Oh, avocado ni? Hizi za green ni?
Sono kwanga sawa vipita.
Nikatie nione hii. Ikikuwa sawa nitachukua. Iko sawa.